Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about Microsoft Word and we're going to be talking about how to create an outline for any paper that we're going to be writing in 5th grade. So for most of our papers, they are going to be 5 paragraphs, including an introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. So let's talk about Word. Let's talk about some of these headings that you see at the top. There's File, Home, Insert, Design, Layout, References, Mailings, Review, View, and Help. So for the purposes of this video, we are only going to be focusing on File and Home. So if you press this button, File, and you press the New button right here, you can insert all kinds of fun templates. That way you can create an outline for any kind of project that we have, but mainly for papers. This is what I want you to do. So I want you to go to this search bar right here, and I want you to type in the word outline. And they have a lot of templates that they've pre-made. That way you can quickly just jump into writing your paper and you don't have to worry about setting up your own outline. So if you click on this first one, it is perfect for everything that we need in 5th grade, and it's for short essays. So if you click on it and then you press this button right here that says create, it will automatically download to your computer. So as you can see, it just popped up. We're just going to close out of this on the side right here. That way we have the full screen to work with. But as you can see, a completed template is right here. That way we can just easily edit and put in the information that we need. It goes from the introduction to 3 main points and a conclusion, which is absolutely perfect for our 5th grade writing SOL that's coming up. So, in order to use this technology, it's very easy. We're going to use this home button to customize this paper. And it's the only button that you really need for this kind of paper. You don't really need to focus on these other ones right here because they're for more scholarly research papers and for stuff that we just don't need to worry about in 5th grade. So after you click on this home button right here, you can see all these different little tabs and they can help you make your paper your own. So we're just going to test out some of these buttons. That way you're familiar with them when you create your own outlines. So we're just going to click on this word title. Once you click on the word, it automatically is ready for you to change it or however you want. So let's just play around with it for a little bit. So if you want to change the font, all you have to do is click on this button right here, and you can pick any fonts that you want, which is really fun because there's a lot of crazy different fonts. But for most papers, we're going to use the Times New Roman font. So let's click on it and see what it looks like. It's very, very easy. So make sure your word is highlighted, and then you click on it one more time, and that's what the Times New Roman looks like. So if you click on this side right here, it says the font size, and you can change how big or small you want your title, which is so fun because if you're doing something fantasy or fiction, you can always make it really big and dramatic. So we're just going to stick with a 12-point font for most of our paper, but let's just make the title just a little bit bigger. Let's go to 14. So you can also change the color of your font, which is really, really cool because you can pick any color that you want. So just to have fun for this paper, let's just make our title red, okay? So if you click on this red button, it automatically makes it red, which is very fun. And the way that they got these, I'm just going to explain this. That way, if you want to create your own, you can. The way that they got these subpoints right here is they clicked on this button right here. It's the numbering button. If you click on this drop bar, you can hit all of these different subpoint organizers or however you want to organize your paper. You click right there. But since they already have theirs, we're not going to fool around with it that much. So we can just click on this first point right here. So this is the attention getter. So if you click on it, like I said before, that's how you can change it around. So let's just change it to attention getter. But see, it's very easy to navigate and to save your paper at the end. Once you finish it, all you have to do is press this little disk button right here that says save, and your paper is automatically saved. It's very easy. You can hit save as a document or download whatever you want and just title it. That way you can easily find it. But I just think this is perfect for our 5th grade class. So have fun exploring Microsoft Word.